Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of animals on the farm today. And we have some kangaroos come and visit the vegetable garden. The Pintabian horses are arriving first. Sarah opens the gate for them. The black and white stallion, the brown and white mare, and the foal. Sarah treats the young foal to a carrot. Can you tell me how many kangaroos visit today? A quick look at the Pintabian mare. She's beautiful with her green ribbon braid. And look at those silver horseshoes. The stallion needs a drink of water. It's time to feed the adult horses. Sarah's made a garden. She spends a lot of time watering it. And here comes the new pond for the water birds. And here we have a goose, the cygnets, the baby swans, and the beautiful swan, rooster, some chickens, some ducks, more roosters, chickens, and a duck. I'm going to keep the eggs warm so they will hatch quicker. Let's take a quick look. They're all out of their eggs now. The swan wants to take the cygnets for a ride on her back. Sam, the farm dog, is going to round up the cows. The brown and white ones are semental cows. The brown cow with the horns is the French Limousin cow. It's time to feed the calves. And now for the adults. I think this one's still hungry. A little closer look at the brown and white calf. Sarah gets this area ready for some pigs and goats that will be in the next video. And here come the kangaroos. They've been in the garden. This farm doesn't mind the kangaroos visiting now and then. Some farmers think they are pests because they trample the fences and eat the crops and plants. Lots of visitors at the farm today. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video uploads. Subscribe and give a like if you like farm animals. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos. See you again soon.